Welcome to HM Architecture. Today we're exploring a beautiful 14x 14 meter 3 BHK modern house plan designed with comfort, functionality, and modern living in mind. Starting from the front side, we have a 7 by 3.5 meter veranda, offering a warm and elegant welcome to your home perfect for sitting or greeting guests. As we step inside, on the left side, there's a drawing room measuring 5 by 4 meters, ideal for family gatherings and guest seating. Attached to it, there's a bathroom of 1.5 by 1.9 meters, perfectly placed for convenience and easy access. Moving further, we enter the main hall, sized 5.3 by 5.9 meters, a spacious and open area that connects the entire house, perfect for dining or a family sitting setup. On the right side, you will find the kitchen measuring 4 by 3.1 meters, designed for modern modular arrangements with proper ventilation and natural light. Now let's move to the bedroom section. At the front left corner, we have the first bedroom measuring 5 by 4 meters with an attached bathroom of 1.5 by 1.9 meters, compact, private, and functional. At the back left corner, there is the second bedroom, also 5 by 4 meter with its own attached bath of 1.5 by 2.2 meters, offering complete privacy and comfort. And finally, on the right back corner, we have the third bedroom measuring 5 by 4 meters with another attached bathroom of 1.5 by 2.2 meters, ideal for personal relaxation and peaceful rest. In summary, this elegant design includes three bedrooms each with attached bathrooms, one drawing room with attached bath, one kitchen, one central hall, and a beautiful front veranda. Everything fits perfectly within a 14x 14 meter plot, making it an excellent choice for families who love practical and modern living spaces. Thanks for watching. If you like this design, please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you again in the next video with another beautiful house plan.